For the book Old Black Fly, you'll have your bars arranged C, D, E, F, G, like this. And your students will have to learn the song. Old black fly's been buzzing around, buzzing around, buzzing around. Old black fly's been buzzing around, and he had a very busy bad day. So first I would teach them the song. I'll sing it again. Old black fly's been buzzing around, buzzing around, buzzing around. Old black fly's been buzzing around, and he had a very busy bad day. Shoo fly, shoo. That's what we'll play. G, F, E, D, C. Or shoo fly, shoo. So this is alternating hands. Right, left, right, left, right. Right, left, right, left, right. It's really important that they alternate hands and not play just with one hand. So, just like this. Shoo, fly, shoo. And when the book says shoo, fly, shoo, that's when they play. You can also sing the same tune throughout the song. Throughout the book. Let's see. He ate on the crust of the apple pie. He bothered a baby and made her cry. Then they play shoo, fly, shoo. So first, old black fly's been buzzing around, buzzing around, buzzing around. Old black fly's been buzzing around, and he had a very busy bad day. He ate on the crust of the apple pie. He bothered the baby and made her cry. Shoo, fly, shoo. The next part would be like this. He coughed on the cookie with the chocolate bits. He drove the dog nearly out of his wits. Shoo, fly, shoo. Okay, I think you get it. And then it continues on until the story is over.